what we got. Hey, has a 3.6 in it, guys. 3.6. If it has a 3.6, it almost has to have a 62 TE. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? It's getting louder. That is a 62 TE. It is getting louder and louder, guys. I want to check this fluid. Let me grab my dipstick, guys. Whoa, it's getting louder. All right, I have my dipstick here. I want to put this down here and get a good whiff in a sense. It's getting louder and louder, guys. Oh no. Feel like it's about to blow. Let's find out if we got any fluid in it. And ladies and gentlemen, we have, ta-da, it's low. Woo! I just took a whiff of that, guys. That fluid is burnt. Guys, we have internal transmission problems, all right? That is not good, and that doesn't sound good at all. It can't do nothing to get louder and louder. It would have eventually stopped pulling had I test drove it, okay? So, guys, I got some internal problems. What I'm going to do right now is go to the scan tool. So, let's turn this off and go head over to the scan tool, guys. All right, stay tuned. So my man, what you doing, man? What's going on over here? What you got going on over here?
Doing a transmission swap.
Oh, okay.
It's easier than it sounds, actually. So I got my good old trusty ratchet strap to keep it from rotating or tilting on the jack. I used the engine hoist to get it on the jack in the first place. Now I was going to roll it over there and get it into the car. Got a core over there. I put that back in the box. So we're just going to go ahead and get this in. We got to take this torque converter plate off, put it on the other one so the torque converter doesn't slide out for packaging. What else? Be sure you drain off the axle port so fluid doesn't leak out while it's in the package when it gets shipped back to the company. That's pretty much it. You also got these cooler line plugs. Don't forget those either if your transmission has fluid in it still. I recommend you drained it, but we didn't drain ours, so we have to have the plugs in there anyway. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and go from there. And
I heard this one. I heard this one coming in. It was making a pretty loud noise. What was that all about?
I'd say it was the pump. It made like a whining noise. It ran for a short period of time. It runs best cold. Usually, you know, when a transmission's going out or when it's leaking internally, it'll only run for about a minute or two, and then it'll start slipping, having all these other issues. I've had that problem with my first car. That's how I know. But yeah, I mean, if transmission's cheap enough, just replace the whole thing. But if you don't want to, you could take the torque converter off, and the pump is right behind it. It's about 7 bolts. Just pull that off, replace the pump, and off you go. Make sure there's no shavings in it either, otherwise you have to do a major flush or, if not, an overhaul.
How difficult was it to get out? Was it that hard?
It's harder on front wheel drive cars because it's way more compact, but if you have the right tools for the job and you have enough experience and you have a trainer to help you, it's pretty much self-explanatory.
How you feel about safety? You got it all strapped up. That's one of the #1 concerns, right?
Yeah, safety is definitely key when it comes to something like this because you don't want a transmission falling on you, or you don't want it falling if it's not under warranty or anything like that, because stuff like this is expensive to replace if you have to replace it 2 or 3 times. So yeah, safety definitely, first thing.
That's it. So any final thoughts?
Work hard, get dirty, stay safe.
That's what's up. Give me some.
All right.
All right, guys. Today is Saturday. We had enough for the day. Enough for the week. We didn't get a 2-day weekend like some of y'all lucky people did. So we only got 1 day off this weekend. Probably this way next weekend. I don't know, but we wrapping it up. Had enough fun for the day. Couple transmission. I'm not doing this stuff by myself, guys. I had a nice helper today. We actually completed 2 today and another water pump job. So getting some work out. And y'all know today at the end of the month, so most shops pretty much want all their workload wrapped up. All right, so we managed to accomplish some of that. Not all of that. Y'all can see it's still a lot of cars in the shop. So that'd be a fresh start for November. Fresh start for November, guys. Thanksgiving holiday coming up anyway, so I know everybody thinking about what they're gonna eat. First thing people think about when they talk holidays, but it's gonna be great, guys. Like I said, we wrapping it up. I had enough fun for the day. The man still getting that transmission in the box. He actually got his hand wet taking it out and putting it in. So he pretty good with the transmission removing them. Oh, y'all see that? He got it in the box. How'd you pull that off? He called it skills. Y'all believe that? Already, he talking about skills. Geometry. Geometry help, guys. Geometry is one of those, yes, you should really be good with geometry. Physics, okay, laws of physics. Y'all know that. What goes up must come down. So that's the way it be like that sometimes. So, guys, we're going to wrap this up, man. That's enough. We had enough fun for the day. I'll check y'all later, man. Peace.